Hello, I'm Amy Shah. In my many years of working one-on-one with patients with skin issues, I've uncovered a startling paradox about skincare that I'd like to share with you today. Carrie, tell me about the products you use on your skin.
I use a lot of bar soaps, lotions, and oils. They're all natural and they smell amazing, but other times they leave me with dry, cracked, and irritated skin.
Carrie's not alone. Many of my patients come to me with similar skin woes. Oftentimes the products they think are good for their skin are actually having the opposite effect and making matters worse. I put patients on a product cleanse. For 2 weeks, see if you can go without using any products except for Aquaphor. I recommend Aquaphor to my patients because it's hypoallergenic, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. For all-over moisturization, use the Aquaphor Spray. For dry, cracked patches, use the Aquaphor Healing Ointment.
Okay, sounds good.
We're gonna get to the bottom of this. Next time I see you, you'll be ready for your patch test. Carrie, how'd it go? How is your skin?
My skin is honestly pretty amazing after using just Aquaphor.
Now we're ready for the next step. You're going to place these patches on your back and we'll be able to find out what it was that was causing the irritation. Okay, well, it looks like you're reacting to both nut extracts and fragrances. That means that most body and face oils are out of the question. They're just too active. It's also about the stress. I think you really need to incorporate a real self-care ritual that's right for your skin. This includes maybe a decaffeinated tea, 5 minutes of meditation, and also using Aquaphor on the dry areas. You can use the Aquaphor spray upside down on the hard-to-reach areas like the back and also the larger areas of the arms and legs. You can use the ointment on the feet, elbows, and the lips, and it makes a big difference.
I love that a doctor is telling me to do self-care.
I'm the first person to tell you that a self-care 5-minute ritual makes all the difference.